Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are joined by Edwin Oquendo. He is the branch manager in our Orlando branch. Hi, Edwin.
Hi, Autumn.
Thanks so much for being here today.
My pleasure.
Edwin is here to share his expert wisdom on all things FHA loan. So first and foremost, Edwin, what is an FHA loan?
Well, it's an interesting question because most people actually don't know the answer to that. An FHA loan is a mortgage insured by the Federal Housing Administration, allowing down payments as low as 3.5%. FHA loans are helpful for buyers with limited savings and/or lower credit scores.
Who is eligible?
Everyone is eligible. Most people think that FHA is only available for first-time homebuyers, but that's not true.
All right, so I want to go through the pros and the cons of an FHA loan. So let's go ahead and start with the pros.
A few of the pros are no income limits. Higher income earners with credit problems, they can also qualify for FHA financing with a minimal down payment. Another pro is housing options. You can use FHA loan to buy a multifamily 2 to 4 unit with a 3.5% down and qualify with the rent on the other unit just as long as you live in the home for 1 year.
Wow.
Another pro with FHA is that you are eligible for FHA streamlined refinances. This is a huge benefit for clients that didn't have the necessary credit score that they were looking for to get the best rate at the time. Well, after 210-day waiting period, they would be eligible to reduce their interest rate.
All right, so let's talk about the cons.
Some of the cons are lower loan limits. Each year, the FHA sets FHA loan limits by county. This may impact how much home you can buy with an FHA loan, especially in the high cost areas. Another con is it's limited to a primary residence only. You can only use FHA loan to buy a home you plan to live in as a primary residence. To finance a vacation or investment property, you'll need to do a conventional loan. One other con is the private mortgage insurance, or PMI as most people call it. On FHA, that is for the life of that FHA loan. So the only way that you would be able to get rid of that PMI is by refinancing at a later date.
You know, when I bought my first house, we had an FHA loan. My loan officer explained none of this to me, and I had no idea that I was paying PMI until I did some research on my own.
Yeah, when you're doing the consultations for clients, it's very important to break down each piece of that payment so the client understands what's involved.
Edwin, thank you so much for joining us today.
My pleasure. Happy to be here with you.
If you're in the Kissimmee area and you need an excellent mortgage advisor, I will have Edwin's information linked below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And if you have a burning mortgage related question, leave it in the comments below and maybe your question will be featured in a future video.